How to buy Ankha token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 7 hours ago and increased by 600% in the last 24 hours. And also, this token trending number 4 in the BNB Smart Chain section. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address, as you can see, and open your wallet. I will use the BitGet wallet for that. Now, first of all, I would just log into my wallet. Now, after that, as you can see, click try now. Now, from the top right corner, click here and select the BNB chain as a network first. After that, click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar. Now, as you can see, this is our token. Now, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. And now go back to your wallet and search for your token that you just added called Ankha. So after that, click on it. Now here, click on swap, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And now you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see. After that, click here on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Ankha token. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.